$100 trading tips, and we will be checking this out right here in this video. In case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash, and if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. If you have any question at all, kindly drop your question for me in the comment section. I will be there to reply you. You can also reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will also be there to reply. These are all the things, all the assets that we'll be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you are not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the charts before you can follow up with the analysis. So quickly, let's go straight into what we are right here, starting with GainX 1200. Okay guys, this is GainX 1200. I'm on 15-minute time frame, and of course I am using the 3M trend Mioka trading indicator to do my analysis. In the morning earlier today, we actually analyzed this asset, and I told you that it's going to buy more, and just the way we have seen it, TP 1, 2, 3 have been achieved. So this has actually got into this resistance zone. Finding difficult to get to the last TP, and of course it has been playing around there for a while, moving between the upper part of this channel, okay, and the lower part of the channel, which happen to be this. Okay, so this is what we have been experiencing since morning, okay, for a while now. Okay, so if you should break out below this, it's going to sell more. But if it should go back, break out above this, then it will definitely achieve the TP like that, and of course it's going to buy more. Okay, so this is very, very important. Okay, so this is still on uptrend, except if it breaks out below this, that is when it's going to sell. But if it does not, it will continue with the uptrend. Okay, so we should take note of that. So for now, this is still buying until it is unable to break out from the resistance zone. The next asset is going to be GainX 999. Let's check it out together. Remember, I am doing my analysis on 15-minute time frame. Okay, so you should take note of that. This has been on downtrend right from here. There are major pullbacks in between, and of course it is still selling. Okay, so I expect it to get to this region first. Sorry, I don't like using the color for my TP. Okay, so I expect it to get to this region first, then thereafter it can, we can target this region. Okay, so this is very, very important. Okay, so this is going to be more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Next asset is going to be PayNext 1200. So guys, this is PayNext 1200. This had been on downtrend right from here, and it got to this support zone. It has not been able to break out below the support zone. Try to go back on uptrend, and just the way we have seen it, guys, it didn't push the uptrend too far. It's actually broke out above this trend line, but it pushed back into it again, and right from there it has been selling. Okay, and of course try to break out below this, and of course once that's happened, we should know that it's going to sell more. So might be targeting this support region, and if it breaks out below that, it's going to sell more. But if it does not, it will go back up on uptrend again and try to buy more. Okay, so this is very, very important. But for now, this is still selling until it is unable to break out below the support region. Now, the next asset is going to be PayNext 999. This is PayNext 999, and this has been on downtrend right from here. And of course, it has achieved the first TP, second TP, and even the third TP, but it is yet to achieve the fourth TP, guys. So, and it is having a pullback right now. And if it is done with a pullback, we are most likely to see a more selling opportunity right from there. But for now, because of the pullback, it is still buying until it is done with the pullback and decided to go fully into a downtrend again. So we should have that at the back of our mind. Okay, so the next asset is going to be FX volume 80. Let's check it out together. This is FX volume 80. There are a bit delay in this particular trade because we've been on this trade for like 2 to 3 days right now. We had this setup earlier, and of course got our entry point at this point in our support zone, and it bought till it got to this region, TP 1, 2, 3, and even 40p achieved before having a major pullback. Okay, we actually thought it's going to sell for a while, but check it out, it has not been able to go further, and of course it's trying to go back up this time around. Once it breaks out from here, then definitely it's going to buy more. Okay, so we should take note of that, and this is going to be more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. So let's take note of that, guys. Let's take note of that. So these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are yet to perfect a trading skill, kindly go back to my channel, watch my training videos, practice very well on your demo account before you try them out on your real account. And if you love my content, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Thank you.